Dassah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair review on this hair from Nadula hair. It is the headband wig in 14 inches, and you guys look at that wave. I feel like 14 inches is perfect length. It's very natural, easy to style, easy to wear in general. I just think that is perfect in this length. I'm gonna show you guys the back. And I absolutely love the color of this wig. I just think that the like ombre bronze type of hair color is super pretty. I already just have the headband on that it comes with, but I will be trying on the other two headbands to show you guys how they look. So I'm gonna start off with the pink one, which is my favorite of the two. It's like this really pretty pinkish with flower headband. Let me do this. Then it has like the tie in the middle, which I really like. And I just think this is super cute. Like, just look at this, just throw it on, head out. And this hair is long enough if you wanted to do a ponytail, you could do that. Or you could just wear it like how it is. I like bringing the hair over just because I feel like it puts a little bit more oomph into the hairstyle. Super cute like this. And then next, I'm gonna go to the next headband, which is this teal blue flower headband. Also super cute, very spring, summer, even fall. Perfect styles. If you're into bright colors, I think this would be perfect for you. I'm gonna make the headband do a little tie in the front. Like tie like that. I think it's cute. And I just really like how it looks with these headbands. And again, just play around with the hair, bring it over to the side, and very cute style. So you guys, let me know what you guys think about this wig. What was your favorite headband, the blue or the pink or the black that comes with it? If you guys don't really like bright colors, you could just wear it with the black headband. But you guys, let me know what you think about this wig and the headband in the comment box below. As always, if you're interested in purchasing, the link will be in the description box. Also, if you guys do shop their store, let them know that I sent you guys. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So this hair is by Nadula. I love the packaging. Be confident, be bold, be you. It's 100% virgin human hair. It is in 14 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. So nice. So as you guys can see in the package, the hair is in plastic. I'm gonna take that out. It comes with a wig cap, and it does come with headbands. Super cute headband. This is the little flowers, and then it has another flower headband right here. So really cute. Let's go take the hair out. Hair out the plastic and the hairnet, and you guys can see right here, look at this color. So pretty. 100% human hair headband wig. You guys do know the headbands are already attached, so you don't have to wear the headbands that come with it. You can just wear the black headband. Has a comb at the top. This is the adjustable strap, which I really love. Then also at the bottom is another comb. They also have the other adjustable strap if you want to make it tighter or looser. And the quality of this hair, the body wave texture is my favorite. It's just so nice.